In this video, we're going to discuss the product access granted workflow trigger. And as you can guess, the workflow is going to fire once we give someone access to a specific product. Now, in previous videos, we talked about giving access to memberships, giving access to specific offers, and this is kind of like the third tier, or just another way to control this is giving access to a specific product. So if you're not familiar with the hierarchy of memberships, you can go learn more about memberships in the memberships section of the knowledge base. So what we're going to do to add this trigger, we're going to just click add new workflow trigger. We could scroll down to the section, but we're just going to put in product. So we're going to start typing product, and we're going to see a couple of different triggers. We want to grab the product access granted trigger. Okay, and if we wanted to send this or trigger this workflow automation off of any product access granted, then we would just keep it blank. We wouldn't add any filters. But if we want to make sure that we send specific communication or specific automations on specific specific products, then we would add a filter. Okay, so this filter, we would go here into the standard fields and use the select product filter, and then we would just go grab our product. So essentially what we're doing here is making sure that we fire a certain string of automations depending on the product that we granted access to. So let's just say we want to make sure that it was only on membership 2 that we do all this stuff. Okay, maybe we have a separate workflow for membership 1. When we're done, we just save our trigger. We can build our workflow out, and then we save the workflow and publish it, and we're all good to go. So that was the product access granted workflow trigger, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.